Hello, sixth grade scientists. This is Mr. Fritz here. I'm going to be your science teacher this year. So, I want to kind of break down what's expected. I want to say good morning. We have three cohorts of students. We have cohort A, who are going to be here on Mondays and Thursdays, cohort B, who will be here on Tuesdays and Fridays, and we have our cohort C, who are also our distance learning students, okay? And I'm going to talk a lot to them so they can kind of know what we're going to do. In class, when you come into cohort A and B, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do throughout the week. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to look at week 0. In cohort C, you're going to have to do this on your own at your pace. So week 0 is basically Monday, Tuesday. It's our getting to know you days. So we're going to click on here. Cohort C, I want you to click on the syllabus. When you go through there, the syllabus is going to give you an outline of what's going to happen in sixth grade science throughout the year. So when I click in here, there will be a PDF for me to view. I want the sixth graders who are in cohort C or the distance learning to read that. We're going to read that in class together. And if you have a question about it today, either while you're in class A and B, that's be Monday and Tuesday, or cohort C, the distance learners, just write a comment in here, ask your questions in here, and we'll answer each other's questions either the next day in class or directly in Schoology for you, okay? So if you have any questions about that, make sure you check that out as well. We're also going to be talking about the September Science Challenge. Every month we're going to do an engineering challenge in school. You'll be working on it at home a lot on Wednesdays. This month for September will be the Marshmallow Blaster, and I'll be going over that in class for the people here on Monday and Tuesday, cohorts A and B. And cohort C, you're going to do some independent research on how you can build a marshmallow launcher to launch at least 2 meters. That's just over 6 feet, about 6 inches. So you're going to click on here and go through the directions, okay? And there's a link here that gives you more directions, but you don't have to make your design to look like that. You can make it as good or as different as you want from there, okay? And your all assignment for Wednesday, that's cohort A, B, and C, will be the official start of week 1 will be on Wednesdays. I know it's weird, it's a little out there, but we're going to try something different. These are different times. So your only assignment for Wednesday will be to do research for your marshmallow launcher, and in the folder for week 1, I want you to click on to get to know you as a scientist, okay? And you're going to answer discussion threads. So this is getting to know more about one another. This will be due for everybody on Wednesday. You're just going to write a comment on what elementary school you went to, either most likely last year, and something big or as many things as you can remember about what you've done in science class, okay? So that's what we're looking for. And I have a student example, which is me, Mr. Fritz, and I talk about what I've done in class in science. So you can definitely do that. And that's what I expect for you on Wednesday. Now, this is directly for the distance learning, the cohort C students. We're going to have Zoom meetings at the end of the school days, depending on what class period you normally would be in. So if you're a student and you see on the side a period, your period, like period 3 distance learning will be today at 2:30, there is a link when they click on the assignment just for them. And that's not all period 3, it's just the students who are distance learning. Okay, I'll go back to my materials. So on the side here, you will see a link if you're a distance learning student, your day and time. If you're still not sure, if you click on the general resources and support, when you go through here, there's something that says Zoom meeting. There's a folder in there. If you click in there, it'll be assigned directly to you. So if you're a 5th period distance learning, you will only see that link. If you're a 6th period distance learning, you'll only see that link. If you're 3rd or 4th or 1st or 2nd or 3rd, whatever it is, and your assignment is on that day. So I will be using the same link for each time, each week we get together, and that'll be a question and answer session. I will also be going over the syllabus this week, and most of the time it'll be question and answer. So if you are period 3 distance learning, you will Zoom with me today. Period 5 and 6 will be on Tuesday at 2:30 and 3. You can see period 3 is at 2:30 today. Period 1 and 2 will be on Thursday at 2:30 and 3 o'clock respectively. And they're just about a half an hour, maybe a little less. It's more of a saying hello, answering questions and stuff like that. So let's recap. Your mission this week, distance learners more specifically, but everybody in class, will be week 0. That's where we're going to be doing the science syllabus and the science challenge in class discussion or at home, getting to know you. Also the September Science Challenge. That'll be some research. And then on Wednesday, your assignment will be to get to know you as a scientist. Okay, that's it. We'll be doing these things as the weeks progress. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing cohort A today in school, cohort B tomorrow, and my cohort C students or my distance learners throughout Zoom. I'm looking forward to the great school year that we're going to be starting. I hope you guys have a great day.